Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeremy and I make weekly videos focused on helping you to become a better developer through the use of software tools. In this video, we're going to be going over the top 8 VS Code dark themes for 2023. I will be using sample code from a variety of programming languages as well as Markdown so that you can get an idea of what each theme looks like for whatever you're using it for. Alright, let's get started. Up first on the list is Night Owl. It has over 1.9 million installs. It does make use of italics, but it does offer a no italics variation if you don't like that. It is available for 21 other applications as well. So if you like this theme, you can use it in some of your other favorite applications. Number 2 on the list is Winter is Coming. It has 2.2 million installs. It's a very blue-based dark theme that makes use of italics, but there is a no italics variation, as well as a black-based variation. Number 3 on the list is OneDark Pro. It has 7.2 million installs. It has a dark and darker variation for those that want the theme to be a little darker. I prefer the darker variation. Number 4 is Cobalt 2 Theme Official by Wes Boss. It has 1.1 million installs. There are other Cobalt 2 themes in the marketplace, but this is the official one by Wes Boss. This was my theme of choice for a while. I really like the high contrast. It makes use of italics, and there's no variation to disable the italics. It is available for 7 other applications, so there is a chance you could find it for other applications you're using, but it's not as many as some of the other themes. Number 5 is Dracula Official. This theme is quite popular at 5.2 million installs. There is a Dracula soft variation that only changes the color around the Explorer. I prefer the normal variation. This theme is available for many other applications. You can check them out at draculatheme.com. Number 6 on the list is the official GitHub theme. This theme has 8.5 million installs, so it is very popular. It has several variations, even one for colorblind people. It is simple with a great contrast. The theme is designed to match what's in github.com's settings. Number 7 on the list is SynthWave 84. It has 1.3 million installs and is somewhat unique in that it has a glow effect on the text that is fully customizable. And last on the list at number 8 is Hyperterm Theme. This theme is not quite as popular as some of the others on the list. It only has 100,000 installs, but it's based on the Hyper-Terminal theme, and it makes use of a deep black base. I really like it, and it's my go-to right now. If you have a dark theme that you think should have made this list, leave me a comment down below. I would love to check it out. If you found this content helpful, please click the like button so that others can find it more easily. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss a video when it comes out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.